Welcome. I'm going to show you how to edit the PNG and JPEG files for the 12 Layout Canvas Bundle in Photoshop. So you'll see a bunch of files in clearly labeled folders. Pick one of the backgrounds that you like and pick one of the layouts that you need in the PNG Layouts folder. Open them both up in Photoshop. Then you're going to want to go to Select All in the transparent PNG file, and then go to Edit, Copy, and then click on the tab with the background. Now go to Edit, Paste. And next you're going to want to insert your art. So go to File, Open, and find your art, and open that in Photoshop. And then once again we're going to go to Select All, Edit, Copy, navigate back to our background and layout, and then go to Edit, Paste. So we want to resize that, so go to Edit, Free Transform, now in this version of Photoshop, in order to size it down proportionally, we don't want to hold down the Shift key. In some versions of Photoshop you will want to hold down the Shift key. Adobe decided to change this recently, but you'll see as you scale it if it's proportionate or it's getting kind of misshapen. You'll figure out whether or not you need to hold down the Shift key. You might want to press Command plus or Control plus on a PC to zoom in as you resize that. And then when you've got the right size, you can hit Enter and then go back and get your other artwork and press Select All again, Edit, Copy, go back to your layout, Edit, Paste. I'm going to zoom out, Command minus or Control minus. And in some versions of Photoshop you're actually able to size stuff down without the Free Transform tool. So if you see those little handles, great. If not, go to Edit, Free Transform. We're probably going to want to zoom in again, so Command or Control plus. And now our art is placed on the canvases, and we can just go ahead and export it as a JPEG for use on a thumbnail like on Etsy. Now let's say you want to make your own layout. What you would do is go back to the folder with the files again and select the 1-up landscape or the 1-up portrait layout, and open that in Photoshop. And you're going to want to go to Select All again, Edit, Edit, Copy, go back to your background, Edit, Paste. Now you can duplicate this layer to your heart's content. You can do that by dragging it down to the little plus icon here, or by pressing Command J on a Mac or Control J on a PC. And then once you've got it duplicated enough times, you can just click on the canvases and move them around to create your own layout. You might also want to click on all the layers, holding down the Shift key to select them all, and then press Ctrl G on a PC or Command G on a Mac to group them into one folder to keep it nice and organized. And you can select all the layers and go to Edit, Free Transform to transform them down so they're not so big. You can click on the canvases, move them around. If you need to, you can even align them by clicking on a couple of them and looking at these alignment transform controls that are at the top when you have the Move tool selected. And of course, once you're all done with that, you can go through the steps of opening your art and copying and pasting it and free transforming it over the top. And then when you're all done, you'll go to File, Export As to export it as a JPEG. And please let me know if you have any questions. And don't forget to like and subscribe. And please know that this Canvas Mockup Bundle and other mockups are available at melissabmockups.com. Thank you and have a great evening.